Is the gray fever in interior design over? Welcome back to my channel. This is Atife. In this video, I'm going to cover everything about the color gray. Why it was so popular, whether it's still in style, different types of gray, and more. So let's get into it. A week ago, I visited a house with everything gray and white. The upholstery, curtain, rug, even the flooring and walls. While this look might have been amazing 10 years ago, now it feels kind of boring and hard to stay in for a long time. Back around 2014-2015, gray was all the rage. Minimal gray looks were everywhere, from walls to sofas and artwork. It was seen as neutral, sophisticated, and easy to match. But today, this combination is neither beautiful nor trendy. The psychology of gray in interior design is kind of interesting. Positively, gray is neutral and balanced and creates a sense of calm and sophistication. However, it can also feel dull, uninspiring, and depressing if overused or paired with wrong colors. It can evoke coldness and detachment, which is not ideal for a cozy, inviting space like a home. So, is gray completely out? Well, not entirely. While it's not the star anymore, gray still plays a crucial role in interior design. It's a mediator, neutral, versatile, and easy to style. Many people still choose gray because it goes with everything. It's easy to keep clean and doesn't show stains much. Now let's talk about the different types of gray. There is classic gray, which is perfectly neutral, not too warm, not too cool. Then there is muted gray, leaning towards off-white, and darker gray, closer to black. Classic gray provides kind of a neutral backdrop that allows other design elements to stand out. Muted gray feels airy and light, while darker gray creates a dramatic, sophisticated setting. There are also grays with undertones of green, blue, purple, and brown. Here is the trick. To identify the undertone of color gray, have the gray samples next to the white surface. This way, the undertone is more noticeable. I mean, you might see houses with lots of grays that are not chic nor sophisticated. This is mainly because the undertone aren't considered. So it's really important to understand which gray you are using while decorating your space. Is gray still all the rage? Well, the answer is no. The trend is moving towards warmer neutrals like soft beige, warm taupe, and creamy whites. These colors create a cozy atmosphere without being too bold. Alongside these neutrals, slightly bolder colors are used to add interest and personality. This combination of warm neutrals and carefully chosen bold accent is defining the latest interior design trends. You might ask how you can make your house more cozy and inviting while you already have so many gray objects or even gray flooring or walls. The answer is easy. Add colors. Use rugs, cushions, throws, and accessories to bring in more color. Every room should have a focal point with a bolder color. Items like a rug, wicker baskets, interesting plant pots, cushions, and lamps can help style a room with too much gray. Also, don't forget about lighting. Warmer lighting will inject spirit into your space, making it cozier and more inviting. But you might still be into gray and like to decorate with them. In this case, let me tell you how you can do it better. To give you a little bit more details, let's explore how to blend gray with other design elements. One effective approach is to layer different shades of gray to add depth and interest to a room. For example, pair a light gray sofa with darker gray cushions and a medium gray throw. It's all about contrast. This creates a monochromatic scheme that's visually engaging without feeling flat. Another tip is to balance gray with natural elements. Wood, for example, pairs beautifully with gray. The warmth of wooden furniture or flooring can counterbalance the coolness of gray, creating a harmonious and inviting space. Plants are another great addition. Their green tones bring life and vibrancy to gray interiors. For those who love gray but still want to keep up with the current trends, consider using it as the secondary color rather than the primary one. For instance, instead of gray walls, opt for warmer beige or taupe walls and use gray for furniture and accessories. This way, you still get the elegance and versatility of gray without it dominating the space. Is gray going to be back in the future? Yes, gray may potentially make a comeback in the future of interior design. Here are some few reasons why gray may be popular again. Gray is a timeless color and it has been popular color in interior design for decades, and it's unlikely to go out of style anytime soon. It's a neutral color that can work with a variety of design styles from modern to traditional. Gray is calming and sophisticated, which makes it popular choice for creating a peaceful and elegant atmosphere in a home. It can balance out bold colors. As bold and bright colors become more popular in interior design, gray can serve as a neutral backdrop to balance out these strong hues. Finally, let's not forget the importance of personal taste. I mean, trends come and go, but your home should reflect your preferences and your personality. If you like gray and it makes you happy, there are ways to make it stylish and modern. So, is the gray fever over? Well, not entirely, but it has certainly evolved. Now, tell me, what do you think of the color gray? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.